Welcome to BC Mac. Today we are going to install Captive portal on PulpStone OpenWrt image. So let's do it. First of all, let's go ahead and check the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, the PulpStone OpenWrt. In the previous video I have shown you how you can go ahead and install your PulpStone image to the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, the IP address is 88. If you don't watch that video, like if you skip that video, you will see the link right now on the top right corner of your screen. You can go ahead and watch that video if you don't know how to download and install OpenWrt PulpStone image on the Raspberry Pi. So let's do it. It's 192.168.1.88. let's go ahead and open it. So we are logged in here with the password root. You can always change the password by going into the other settings. Let me just show you. By going into system, and you can always change the host name. Let's just go ahead and change it to PC Mac, and the time zone is Asia Kolkata. Let's just do that right here. Let's save and apply. Configuration complete, and then we need to go into administration. We can put a new password here. Let's type a new password. It's also done. Save and apply. So to install the software, the new software on our image, we can either go into software from here and look for the available packages from this list. To install the Captive portal, what we need to do is we need to use NodogSplash. So we can go just navigate to N and move it down to NO, and as you can see, NodogSplash is right here. Is a captive portal that offers a simple way to provide restricted access to the internet by showing a splash page to the user before internet access is granted it. Also incorporates an API that also allows the creation of sophisticated authentication application. So here are two versions of it. The latest one is 3.2.1.1. Either we can just go ahead and use it from here. Let's try to do it from here. Install. Okay. So as you can see, it's trying to install it to the root. Now NodogSplash is installed. Let's check the startup, and as you can see, it's right here. The image OpenWrt, when we click on startup, it requires our permission. So when we hit continue, it will take us to the page like this, and when we go down and check that the NodogSplash is here or not, it's right here and it's start. If you want to stop it, you can just go ahead and click on stop. You can also use putty, the SSH, to install it. How you can do that? 192.168.1.88. the first thing that you need to do is log in with the new password, and then the first command that you need to type is opkg update to check whether we have any update or not. So it's trying to update the package. It's done. Now the second command that you need to use to install any application on OpenWrt is opkg install NodogSplash. As we already install it, we don't need to do it again, but for this practical I'll just show you how you can do that again. And as you can see, installed in root and up to date. Package NodogSplash is installed in the root and is up to date. So let's go ahead and minimize this. So we have this on our PulpStone image. As you can see, the name is changed to PC Mac, and we have installed the NodogSplash now, and it will work whenever we go ahead and open the router page. Let's just try to open it on Internet Explorer and check whether we get the page or not. 192.168.1.88 and hit enter. Let's try to log in. We are logged in. Just check. Let's go ahead and restart the PulpStone. Let's reboot. Click OK, minimize. We'll wait for a moment. So if you are not able to see the NodogSplash image, that means the page is saved in your cache. How you can resolve that? It's to just remove the cache of your computer, and when you again try to open it, it will show you the NodogSplash image, because as you know, the computer saved the information. Let's go ahead and try to open it on my phone. Project my screen. Let's project the screen and try to open it here. As you can see, when I go on to the 88 IP address, is taking us to the OpenWrt NodogSplash hotspot gateway. In my next video, I'll show you how you can edit this page and make your own page and connect to it. So guys, that's it from my end. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.